Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily restart your iPhone 16e. So first, what you can do is press and hold the side button plus volume up until the power slider appears. So we're gonna do just that, and as you guys can see, now here is our slider. After we slide it, the phone is going to turn off. Now hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. And now what you guys need to do is wait for it to turn on. And as you guys can see, now our phone is turned on. And there's the other way, including it when your phone freezes. And how to do that is pretty simple. What you need to do is quickly press and release the volume up and the volume down while holding the side button. Wait, let me explain. Look. Up, down, and now hold the side button. Now you don't need to slide it, just hold it until the screen goes black. And as you guys can see, now keep holding it until you see the Apple logo. As you guys can see, now our phone is restarting. This is useful if your iPhone is frozen or unresponsive, so you can do just that. Now, as you guys can see, the phone is turned on back again. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.